Okay, so I'm sitting here editing the video and just realized I never made an intro to this video, so better late than never, right? Yeah. So yeah, how do we really do an intro to this? It's a computer build of my new computer over here. Looks really good. Kind of a spoiler to see it working, I guess. If you want the specific specs of the computer, they will be in the description, but a quick overview, it's It's a Ryzen 1700X processor. It fits my purpose really good since I want to play games, make videos, and probably stream from time to time. If you're interested in those streams, go check the description for my Twitch account. For graphics card, we have a GTX 1080 from MSI. It should be really good. Originally I was thinking of a 1070, but this 1080 went on sale somewhere, and I was like, might as well. It's like not that big of a difference between a 1070 and 1080 if I get discount on 1080, so I went for it. And for RAM, we have 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance, I think it's called. So that's it for the intro. Enjoy the time lapse. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse of me reading manuals and trying to put stuff in this computer here. Watching it back, I'm really impressed it actually started working, because I was really struggling throughout the build. I had constant problems, especially when it came to like cable management and trying to actually get the parts back on together, like get back on this computer. It was a nightmare to actually get back on, because the cable was just in the way all the time. I had no idea what to do, but it worked out in the end, and I'm happy with the end result. It looks really good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, even though it's not professional build, I'm a noob. But I hope someone had fun watching it. I can imagine someone would be like, oh, that looks fun, he has no idea what he's doing. I know I would if I was any good at this and know what I did wrong, but hopefully you know that and have some fun. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and have a good day.